Hi, I'm Skylar. If you've got an iOS device like an iPod or an iPhone that has been disabled by a passcode and you don't have the computer that was used to sync the iPod in the first place, you'll have to put it into recovery mode. So first, connect your sync cable to the iPod and to your computer. Then take the iPod and hold both the home button and the on-off button together for about 10 seconds. At that point, let go of the top button. This is before the Apple logo has appeared again. So that's press the two buttons at the same time. The screen will go black. 1, 2, let go of the top button. You'll see in iTunes a message that looks like this. iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore this iPhone before it can be used with iTunes. Insert iPod, same message. Click OK. Once you click OK, it'll enter the restoration process. It's going to wipe out all the data on the iPod, extract all the software, and install a new version of the software. Once it's finished, you'll have a fresh iPod. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.